I gotta find my way back to summer paradise. Sean Paul, Simple Plan.
My heart is sinking as I'm lifting up above the clouds away from you. And I can't believe I'm leaving. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But someday I will find my way back to where your name is written in the sand.
Staying in my brain.
'Cause I remember every sunset, I remember every word you said, and we were never gonna say goodbye.
Yeah.
Singing la da 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 da, tell me how to get back to summer paradise with you.
All the things I know right now, if I only knew back then, there's no getting over, no getting over, just no getting over you.
Wish I could spin my world into reverse, just to
Ja, vi er taget ud til Give Rytterstræde, må det så være. Det er fandme lækkert. Der er opvarmet vand, folk der laver dobbelt tysker fra Vietnam, og vi har haft fuld træf rundt.
Jeg snupper lige en baglander med kl. 12 til mave fredagen.
Ja, som I kan se, så går folk helt amok, og vi hygger rigtig meget her. Der var lige en triple out. Jamen, vi ses senere.
There is no baby, it feels so to dance to the beat of that heat between you and I. Free to the moment, like we like to live life.